Okay, good. Now, does anybody else have any questions? I feel like I've been the only one asking them. Ben? Anita? Okay, well, I could be asking questions all afternoon, but I do have a meeting. Good job. I just fixed those slides that we talked about, and I'm sure when you present to the committee next week, you'll be just fine. Oh, and everybody, if you could get your applications in for the scholarships and grants. I mean, we're very fortunate to have funding here at this lab just to keep it running, but it's always better to have a scholarship in your name because you never know. So anyways, and who knows what's going to happen with the lab. So good job.
Wow. I thought that was never going to end.
That was a good presentation.
Thanks.
I can't believe she spent an hour on just questions.
Hurry up, guys. We got 5 minutes till the seminar begins.
Why are you going to the seminar? What's the topic?
Who cares what the topic is? It's free food, man.
Wait, I thought it was just coffee.
Nope. Today it's a sponsored seminar. They've got free stuff and they're even providing lunch.
So it's like a product show and a seminar all in one? Oh, yeah, let's go.
Alright, but before we go, you guys listen up. When we get there, do not make eye contact with anybody. Get one of those free bags they always give out and just stuff everything you can in there. And then hold the free food with your hands. And then most importantly, we gotta get in and out before the presentation even begins. So you guys got it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's do this.
That was pretty good pizza.
Meh, they've had better. You filled your bag with food?
Well, yeah, that's free. Alright, let's see what you guys got.
I think I just got the basics, like some pens and post-it notes. And, oh, I got this box of pipette tips. It says they're reusable, but I don't know, are you supposed to wash them?
Anyway, what about you?
I also got some pens, got this thing, and something for my cat.
What's that over there?
This is a catalog and some business cards.
Catalog and business cards? Dude, I told you not to talk to the sales reps.
Yeah, I know, but I felt bad just taking all their stuff, so I wanted to show that I kind of cared.
Well, what are we gonna do with this?
I don't know, recycle it?
Seriously, Dave. Listen. Or else, how are you gonna get your PhD?
Oh, Dave, there's someone out there to see you.
Okay, thanks, let him in.
Alright, I will. Okay.
Hi, Dave!
Hi! Here for your exam?
Yep. It was a really well written exam, I thought. Like, there was just the right balance of easy questions and then long answer questions, so it was quite difficult to complete in 1 hour.
I'm sorry, what was your name?
Amy. Oh, Amy Tan.
Ah, thanks.
I think I did really well on this exam. I mean, I studied everything. 41 out of 50? That's 82%. What was the class average?
About 78%. You did good. You got above class average.
Okay.
I made some notes where marks were taken off. Try to make it more clear.
Okay, well. But. Well, I see. Well, that's vague. Spelling mistake? Oh, come on, you lost half a mark for a spelling mistake?
I was actually being easy on that question. You see, I took a half mark off because you spelled it wrong, but you had the right idea. See, normally that would be a 0, but Dr. Stevens wanted to change the marking scheme.
How about this question?
You drew it backwards. Peptides are normally drawn from the N to the C terminus, so I gave you half marks. And then on the next question, you needed to calculate the overall charge of the peptide under different pHs. You didn't need to draw it all out, so I can't give you marks if it's calculated wrong.
Okay. Well, I guess I just have to stop making small, stupid mistakes on my exam. I mean, I thought I was prepared. I studied everything. I was really hoping there'd be questions about crystallography. I even memorized the equations.
I told you not to study that. Did you at least look at the bonus question?
Oh, it was about physics or something. I skipped that. What was the question again?
In 1914, Max von Laue won the Nobel Prize in Physics for discovering a technique that revolutionized the way scientists determine structures of complex molecules. What is that technique called?
I don't know. Why is there a physics question in a biochem midterm?
It's crystallography.
Seriously? Damn it.
See, a little advice for the next exam: focus on the big picture, on the specific questions that we're asking. And when it comes to the 1-mark questions, don't give us a full essay. We just want the big picture. You'll do better on the next one.
Thanks. You're a really good TA. I'll be sure to give you a high evaluation at the end of the semester.
Thanks.
I'll see you next week.
See you then.
Was that the Wikipedia girl?
Yep.
Students these days are so weird. They're either lazy or ridiculously over the top. At least that one's not lazy.
No, she's not. Here, look at this. It's a 1-mark question. What is the central dogma of molecular biology?
DNA to RNA to protein.
Exactly. That's all you need to write. DNA to RNA to protein.
So what did she write?
She gave me a full-page essay.
How do you write a full page on that?
She started off talking about transcription and translation, and then started listing off all the enzymes involved. I mean, why are you wasting your time on a 1-mark question that could be spent on a 5-mark question? I mean, and then I get students complaining how there isn't enough time to finish the exam. It's really not that complicated. I mean, come on. I was so generous with the marking. I mean, I even gave them partial marks for the wrong answer, but the right idea. And then they're talking...
Is Janet in today? She's not in her office.
I think she's in a meeting. It should be done soon. When she gets back, I'll let her know you're looking for her.
Great, thank you. Oh, apologies for interrupting your speech.
Did I tell you I had a dream about him? I mean, more of a nightmare, really.
Oh, I had nightmares about him all the time when I was in his thermodynamics class. I don't know what was more terrifying, him or all those equations.
I hear he makes his students come in on the weekends like it's mandatory.
Well, I'm sure anyone that wants to work with him probably wants to work on the weekend.
True that.
I'm so glad I'm not in his lab.
One week until my comps are finished, and I can get back to my real life. Okay, what was Janet saying about this slide?
I think she was trying to say that it's better if you highlight this area.